Hi, I'm Gil with Master Tool Repair. Come on inside. At Master Tool Repair, we'll help you find the parts so that you can get your equipment back up and running. First thing we do in the morning is we download your order. Putting all those schematics on the website takes a lot of time. For product entry, we have to take a schematic and we have to divide it into very small parts so that every single part on the schematic will be able to be chosen by simply moving your mouse over the product. Back in the warehouse, we have Candace here. She makes sure that your product is packaged properly so it gets to you in good shape. Parts, parts, parts. We try to keep the most popular parts in stock so we can get them to you quickly. We take special precautions when it comes to shipping pumps. We make sure that they're packaged properly so they don't arrive to you damaged. We have customer service professionals that can help you pick out the right part if you don't know exactly what you need. We've trained them to know what the most popular models are, the applications. When it comes to purchasing, we have to make sure that we get enough in stock so that you're able to get your product quickly. So at Master Tool Repair, we make sure that our products get to you quickly. No, we do not use an F-16 to get them there, nor drones, but we make sure that we can get this thing to you as quick as possible.